Vav Wear is a tactical and outdoor clothing brand with over 40 years of textile and military clothing production experience. Company ergonomics, durability, and design experience, which directly comes from fields for many years, serves customers under their name Tactics Store. Vav Wear has become the leading brand of the sector in a short time with detailed product information and visuals on all platforms. Vav Wear carries out its production in a 3,000 square meters closed area with latest technology machinery and experienced staff. Vav Wear, which has become the most preferred brand in the country market in a short time, is also starting to take place in the international market. The company, which won great acclaim in the international fairs it participated in, aims to contribute to the export target of our country by increasing its sales abroad. Tactical and outdoor products are designed with intense R&D studies and are approved by professional users before they are put on the market. Vav Wear is taking firm steps towards the goal of achieving better, establishing a bond of love with its customers, being known worldwide, and being at the top of the market. Vav Wear.